Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. In this detailed how-to tutorial video, I have the Casio A158 and I'm going to show you how this watch works, its functions and features. But before that, let me run through the watch modes and see what there is to offer. So pressing the mode button from the standard timekeeping mode, we have the alarm, we have the stopwatch, and we have our setting mode. Pressing it again gets us back to the standard timekeeping mode. Over here, what this watch offers, well, it is the next. We have our day shown, our date, our seconds, minutes, hour value. This is our 12 or 24 hour indicator, and by pressing this button you are shuffling between 12 or 24 hour time format. This watch can also show you the alarm values and indicate either your watch has alarm turned on. Alarm mode. First of all, let's enter the alarm mode. That is done from the standard timekeeping mode by pressing the mode button once and you are in the alarm mode. First of all, let me show you how to set the alarm value. So whilst you are in the alarm mode, press the upper left button and you have the hour numeral flashing. To set it, press the lower right button and you can shuffle through the value of alarms. Let's say I want my alarm at 12 o'clock sharply. Once we have set it, our hour value, I'm gonna press the light button and the flashing moves on to our minutes value. Now we are in the position of setting our minutes value, and that is done by pressing this button, and by pressing and holding it, you are engaging fast rotation. As I've said previously, I'm going to set it to 12 o'clock sharply, and I'm going to leave 2 zeros in the minutes value. There it is. So we have set our alarm value. Now, once we have set our alarm value at 12 o'clock, I'm going to show you what these upper markers or indicators on the screen indicate actually. Once you have these lines indicated over here, it means that the daily alarm will sound only daily alarm. By pressing this button whilst in this alarm mode, you can see that I'm shuffling. Now this means that the time signal only sounds. Pressing it again, you're turning both of them on. So you have your daily alarm and daily time signal turned on. Pressing it again will turn both of them off. So basically, by pressing this button, you are shuffling between what you want to hear from your watch. So both on, both off, only alarm, hourly time signal, and both on. And with that, basically this is a simple alarm to operate and use, as this watch. How the stopwatch works? Well, from the standard timekeeping mode, press the mode button once, twice, and you are in the stopwatch mode. Let's measure some time. How to measure your net time? Well, press this button over here to start it, same button to stop it, start it, stop it, and the light button to reset the value. How to measure the split times? Press the lower right button to start it, upper left one to split it. You have a lap indicated, split release, stop, and upper left to reset the value. First and second place times, so let's get it. Start it, upper left one, split, first runner finishes, lower right one, stop, second runner finishes, split release with the upper left one, and reset with the same button. Those are the basics of a stopwatch mode on this watch. Wait, and I'm going to show you how to set the time and date. So let's get started. Before setting the time and date, I'm going to quickly show you how to shuffle between 12 or 24 hour time format. That is done by pressing this button over here whilst in the standard timekeeping mode. And you can see that I'm shuffling between 24 hour time format indicated on the digital display and In this case, it's showing the PM, which is 12-hour time format. So it's 23 o'clock at night. Next up, let's enter the setting menu for our watch. Whilst in the standard timekeeping mode, press the mode button once, twice, 3 times, and when the seconds begin to flash, that means that you are in the position of setting your watch. In this case, first in a row of settings is setting our seconds value. Now you cannot set the exact value of seconds. What you can do is reset that value by simply pressing this button over here, and it will go to 0. Next up, press the upper left button and the hours begin to flash. So to change the hour value, press the lower right button and you can see that I'm shuffling hour value. Pressing it and holding it will engage fast rotation, and once you release it, it will stop. So it is 23 o'clock. Next up, press the upper left button and the minutes begin to flash. Now we are in the position of setting our minutes value. Press the, again, lower right button and you can see that I'm shuffling my minutes value. Press and hold it to engage the fast rotation until I get it to my desired value. It is 33 minutes. And there it is. Once I'm done with minutes, I'm gonna press the upper left button and we are now in the position of setting our month value. Number 11 corresponds to November, but in case you need to change it, you can press this button until you get to the month that you are in. Once you're done, again press the upper left button and we are in the position of setting our date. Pressing the lower right button, you are shuffling between date value, and pressing and holding it will engage fast rotation of numerals. Once you are done with your date, press the upper left one and you are in the position of setting your day. Pressing this button shuffles between the days in English and you can set your watch to the corresponding day value. Once done, press the upper left button. We are back at the beginning and setting our seconds value, which means that we have ran through the cycle of setting our time and date. To implement the settings, simply press the mode button, seconds stopped flashing, and you have now set your watch. And with that, we have set our time and date. Thank you for watching yet another video on my channel. And if you are into watch-related content, please subscribe. So thank you.